What's up, YouTube? I'm here on NQ. Today is March 27th, and I feel like my bias today is very bearish. I'm here on the weekly chart. I don't really check the weekly chart, but I seen that Dodgy had posted it. There's a very nice, big, unfilled, bullish fair value gap down here, so that's a nice draw on liquidity. And if you look on the daily, there's a lot of swing lows right above that weekly gap, and as soon as we hit that weekly gap, we're definitely going to be bullish. And after we take out all these lows, we're definitely going to be bullish. But until then, I'm going to be bearish on the 4 hour. We had a nice soup from, what was this, Monday. We took out all these highs inside of a fair value gap, and then we inverse this 4 hour bullish fair value gap right here. And overall, the structure of price just looks very bearish. We could get a pullback since we have been dumping so much. New York likes to do a lot of reversals, so maybe we could see a pullback today, but I'm really only going to be looking for sales. And yeah, I'll get back to you guys when New York opens. Okay, so here's 8:30 market open right here. As you can see, we're starting to get a nice dump off of open. We left this 8:30 wick up here, and I don't feel too confident in selling right here just because of how low we look. I want us to get at least a pullback up into this 5 minute fair value gap slash 15-minute unfilled fair value gap up here. That would be nice. And but if we do take a sell down here, we have some nice 5 minute gaps right here, some 3 minute gaps. Okay, and this 5 minute just became invalid. I want to say, yep, the 3 minute became invalid as well. This 1 minute had a nice entry right here. I missed it, I didn't see it. But it's looking like price is about to just shoot down towards this liquidity down here on the daily. But here's that push off of open, then we got a retracement, and we formed this 1 minute bullish for value gap right here. I'm not really liking how it looks though. It's looking a little small, but if we get some nice momentum through it, I would definitely take it. And as long as we still deliver out of these gaps up here, if we don't inverse these gaps, and I'm definitely gonna like this setup more. Okay, so these setups just became invalid. This 1 minute I marked up just became invalid. We swapped out the break-even point before inversing, and the 2 minute is also invalid. But price is still respecting these bearish fair value gaps up here, so that's a good sign. And it's looking like we're about to come down here. Did we inverse this gap? Yeah, we inverse this 1 minute down here. I don't really like I don't like the size of it, so I'm not going to take that. But we do have this 30-second down here where that 1 minute is, and the 30-second looks a lot bigger, so I'm liking how this looks. I'm not going to trade it on the 30-second though, just because I'm not too familiar with this time frame. But I'm still going to see if this works, and yeah, we'll just see. Okay, there we go. This daily low just got hit right here. And this 30-second, I was looking at it the whole time. It played out perfectly without going to break even. So that's always nice to see. And also this 1 minute played out well. This 1 minute that I passed on because it was too small. This was the only valid entry on my time frames. But yeah, it's still way too small even in hindsight. And I'm still not going to be bullish until we hit this weekly gap down here and take out that last daily low down here. So, but we still might get a small pullback here, but in the long run, I'm still looking for sales. And yeah, I feel like the move probably already happened today, but I'll still stick around to see if we could get anything. Okay, so I think I'm gonna be done for the day. We did form this 1 minute bullish gap right here, but I'm not liking it just because price is chopping up, and we haven't hit the 50% level of this big push down yet. So I feel like this isn't a really good spot to go down from, but we did just get the inverse right there. I'm not in this trade. I don't think this is gonna work, but some good trades already happened, like this 1 minute off of open. This was a pretty good trade. This was probably the best trade of the day. And yeah, I just missed it. I wasn't really paying attention. And I seen this one, but I didn't take it because I just didn't like where this gap was at. If the gap was right here, I would have taken it. But yeah, I just didn't like the formation of that. And also we had an 8:30 wick above, even though it was protected. And this 30-second right here worked, so that was nice. And yeah, I'm probably gonna try a 30-second play later, like next week maybe if we get one. And I'll just go light on it just to, test it out. But yeah, this 1 minute right here just lost down here. So yeah, I'm gonna be done for the day. And yeah, no trades today. So, and it's looking like the move, like the real money move happens right at open and like the beginning of the session. And once we get to like 9 a.m., that's when price starts to slow down and we don't get anything. So yeah, I'm gonna be done for the day. No trades today. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.